Today I want to show you how to make your own homemade rum cream. This will be the best rum cream that you have ever had. Even if you don't like rum, you will love this. And even if you really don't love rum, it's okay because you can use any other spirit here as your base. Rum creams are pretty popular worldwide, even though you won't see them too often in the United States. It seems like most distilleries have their own, but they're just often hard to find. The version I'm making today will be using Chairman's Reserve rum, which is from St. Lucia, but you can swap in any 40% ABV rum or a different spirit entirely. You can swap in bourbon for a bourbon cream liqueur, use Irish whiskey for something that's like Bailey's, or use vodka if you're looking to be filled with instant and long-lasting regret. To make this, you'll need rum, heavy cream, whole milk, vanilla extract, and you'll need sugar. And that's it. In the past, I've made this with cinnamon and this cinnamon extract, which works well for giving an intense cinnamon flavor without the cinnamon solids that can end up floating or sticky to the bottom. You could also just use ground cinnamon, almond extract, chocolate, or coffee, or an instant coffee if you want to get more of that Bailey's flavor. My recipe will be different from many of the copycat recipes that you'll find for rum creams or homemade Baileys because I built this recipe to match as closely as possible the exact ABV, that's alcohol by volume, the sugar, and the fat of commercial liqueurs. Now, this rum cream will come in at 17% ABV, will be right around 18 bricks, that's 18% sugar by weight, and will have roughly 13.6 grams of fat per 100 milliliter serving. And that seems pretty precise, but that's because our final numbers are going to match almost exactly Bailey's. Now, you could replace the heavy cream and whole milk for half and half, but that will be a little bit lighter and just slightly different. Now, this is a public service announcement here. Half and half in the United States is not simply half cream and half milk. Half and half can range from 10.5% to 18% fat, while heavy cream is a minimum of 36%. So that means that the highest level of half and half, the cream of the crop, is right at 50% the fat of heavy cream. But most are not that high. By using heavy cream and milk, we can get the exact numbers we are looking for. Having said that, you can still use half and half to have something that is just as delicious, but just a little bit lighter and not exactly the same. I'm going to build this entire thing in a blender. Start with 262.8 milliliters of heavy cream, 67.75 milliliters of whole milk, 135 grams of granulated sugar, 318.75 milliliters of rum, and 2 teaspoons of a vanilla extract. And now we blend, and I want to blend this just long enough to get the sugar dissolved and not too high. We don't want to turn this into a whipped rum cream. Cheers. This is so simple, yet so delicious, and it's going to taste better than any cream liqueur you could possibly buy. And if you do the math, for a bottle of it, it's going to be cheaper as well. It is obviously rich and decadent, but it's not too sweet. And it has just a real, I'd say a simple flavor where you can taste the rum and the cream and the sweetness comes through with the vanilla, but there's nothing artificial about it like you get from some of these cream liqueurs. A couple tips for success on these liqueur recipes. So you're using milk or a cream. I wouldn't suggest using the cream top milk. Sometimes those are more premium. I do like them, but you want something that is homogenized so it stays homogenized once you store it in the fridge. And that's tip number 2, is to keep this stored in the refrigerator. I don't know the shelf life. I don't know how long it's going to last. It has the same ABV and sugar and everything to match Bailey's. But for me personally, I'm not going to leave this sitting out on a shelf. I put it in a clear bottle on purpose, so if anything does change over time, I'll be able to see it. And the final thing is, you do want to let this mellow out. It gets better with a little bit of time. It doesn't need to sit in your refrigerator for months or weeks, but just a couple days. And the batch I'm actually having right now, and the sequence you saw of me making it, I made that a couple days ago. And if you try it right out of the blender after you bottle it, it's not going to be very cold. but also just letting those flavors marry together. The rum will mellow out, or whatever spirit you use will help make an altogether better rum cream. So there you go, a simple and delicious rum cream. If you can't find a rum cream out there in the stores, you don't need to look anymore. Just make your own. It is very simple and easy to do. If you do make your own and you kind of play around with the ratios and the recipes or the rums, let me know in the comments below. I'd like to see what you've made as well. I've already explored several different rums with this, including some Demerara rum, some Jamaican rum, and even one of the most expensive rums I have, and they all make delicious rum creams. So that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below. Consider subscribing to the channel if you want to support this channel more. You can check out my Patreon page, and otherwise, I will see you on the next one.